What's good, YouTube family? It's your girl Safi and I am back with another video. Yes, today I'm going to be making some saltfish fritters, of course, and yeah, I have my mamas. Alright, so first and foremost, I'm gonna be starting with some flour that I already put in a bowl, some seasoning that I have here, some scallion, some tomato, some scotch bonnet pepper, a little bit of thyme, some salt, and of course, I'm going to be adding the saltfish and baking powder. Alright, so I'm going to just place my camera right here and I'm going to start cut up some seasonings. Now, for most people, when they're making their fritters, some people don't like a lot of seasoning in it. But for me, I like a good amount of seasoning in mine, alright? So, preferably, I'm going to be adding a decent amount of scallion and tomato and garlic and all that. Because I like when I bite in my fritters, I can taste the natural seasoning coming out, alright? So, don't mind all that. You can add the amount that you want to add in there. Alright, and for the fact that I'm using saltfish, I'm not going to be adding a lot of salt because I did already boil the saltfish before and place it in the refrigerator. So I had it in there overnight. Alright, so let me just cut up these scallions and get back to you real quick. And when you're preparing, a quick tip, when you're preparing the garlic to add in a fritter butter, you want to make sure that you mince that garlic properly, because I'm sure you don't want a big chunk of garlic to be biting in. Alright, so make sure that you spend the time and mince that garlic properly. Or if not, if you don't have the time to like mince the garlic, you can probably use a grater, so you get those nice thin little slices of garlic, and you just add it in the butter. Alright, now for the tomato, I'm gonna be doing some nicely fine dice. Alright, time for the big bad scotch bonnet. Alright, so based on the way how you like your fritters, take time with the scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, you don't want your butter to be overly spicy, but like I said, it's your choice. So I'm gonna add a decent amount of scotch bonnet to my butter because I like a little spice. Alright, get a little spoon and so we're going. So this is the flour with the seasoning. Just gonna stir that up. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of all-purpose. So I add the saltfish to it and just mix it up. So just a little reminder, this is saltfish, scallion, garlic, some little bit of thyme leaf and some scotch bonnet. And I'm gonna be adding the water. I wanna get it to a nice consistency. So add a little bit more flour to it. Just for my preference, cause doing a little bit of extras. Alright. So I'm gonna stir that in. And then we'll be dropping these into the fryer. Alright, babes, so you see Christmas fritters them are going on, Joe. Saltfish fritters are going right here. Yeah. See them in a pot.